Hey, Thomas here again with another cactus jump excursion. This time we're at the Harral Nature Park, which is pretty neat. They have some uh, nature center, well as just basically a place in the south side of Broken Arrow, which is a suburb of Tulsa for those who aren't local. And they have different walkways and things. So we're just going to take a peek and see what we can get into. They have some fun statues over there. So they've got turtles and insects and snakes, which I don't think we have to worry about much of that right this minute. But they have like this suspension bridge, which is cool. Peaceful day out here. It's actually a suspension bridge, or a whatever they call those things. Wobbles when you walk over it. They got some paths, so let's see what we want to do here. Beautiful day. Of course, it'd be probably beautiful in the springtime. A little warmer. It's not bad. Today's about 48, 50 degrees, something like that. So they allow pets in here. So there's been some dogs and something. A little pavilion. You can do some picnicking or something. I know my friend Eldon out in California. He's been doing these kind of nature hike things, and I think his latest video he put up, he had horse tracks and horse droppings, which I don't think we have to worry about those here. I'm attempting the mile round today, so we'll see how that goes. I haven't done that in a while. We did have a pretty good storm come through a year and a half ago, and that's probably what most of this trees down are from. I'd have to come check this one out in the springtime when it gets nice. Oh, this is a fun little dip down here. We had some snow Monday night into Tuesday, and of course we had a big storm a couple weeks ago. Well, big for here. Well, there's still some nice slushy stuff, mostly slushy, or iced over if you're down there. At our local meteorologist, they were saying that they should have taken a contest as to how long the snow would have lasted. So they have a map on their website that shows you which directions the trails go. So now we hit kind of a interesting, there's a entry from a neighborhood over there, which I had a friend tell me about. So this is the biking through here would be an adventure. Oh yes, I have to show you my new hat too. It's the closest thing I could get to the sweatshirt that Eldon was wearing. It's the closest thing I could find. I found it on eBay of all places. But at least it has my sentiments right now. It's not bad. This is actually really nice weather compared to what we've been having. I was a little worried about the wind earlier. It was kind of chilly, but it feels good out here now. Got some green grass. Middle into January? This is crazy. That's some crazy weather. You know it's crazy when the panhandle of Florida has had more snow than you have. That's terrible. Another pavilion for picnics. What a great idea. Come deep into the woods and have some food. Heck yeah. There are people who think Oklahoma's flat. You know, parts of it are kind of flat. Not all of it. But Tulsa's kind of in that edge of the plains and the little bit of mountainous stuff. So they have more directional signs. I'm trying to follow maybe the blue route. I don't know. I'm not sure. Somewhere it's a nice day. Tulsa has several parks too. We have Gathering Place downtown. No, it's not downtown, on the river. River parks. Some other stuff, so not sure what that thing is. A little bunker of some kind or something. I'm sure this place is alive with animal activity in the spring and summer. It'll be beautiful in summertime. But of course I'm about 15 to 20 miles from home, so this is kind of a ways out here, but it's really pretty and very quiet, minus the sawing going on. Got another trail branch off here. The blue and the black and the red. Well, I don't know what that is. I don't know what trail that one is. It's kind of fun. I think the red is the mile-long trail. So we also have Turkey Mountain, which is on the west side of the river. Arkansas River runs through Tulsa, so most of the city is on the east side of the river. But so they have that. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, most of Tulsa's on the east side of the Arkansas River. Some of it's on the west side. But the Turkey Mountain's on the west side of the river. And east side would be River Parks and the gathering place, which is a really cool place too. There goes another path there. Don't know which one that one is. Again, more houses back here. This probably was squirrels. This probably was pretty secluded back when it was put together. Now it's kind of grown up around here. Another waterfall of some kind. Or something. So you hit another neighborhood entrance, then you have to come this way. You got another path. Goes blue, red. Hello. Squirrel. So the blue route goes this way then. All the leaves you hear mostly are squirrels. They're pretty active around here. So this park is behind one of the elementary and middle schools here in Broken Arrow. So you have to drive through school property and then come back here. Looks like we made up with the main road again. Oh yeah, did a complete loop. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little excursion of the Harral Nature Park. And it's a nice little place down here in Broken Arrow. Gives you kind of a nice getaway from town if you need it. So I will see you on the next one. Okay, bye.